Hey, what's up fellas? Another video for my YouTube channel, and today guys I'll show you how to replace the engine oil pan on 2016 Jeep Compass. It has a 2.44 cylinder. Yeah, so we lift it up a little bit more so you guys can see everything. So what we're going to do first is we're gonna remove this AC bracket. Don't take the serpentine belt off. You don't have to. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this bolt right here, and after that we're gonna take the bracket. The bracket has another bolt right there, 2 and 3. You take those 3 bolts and the bracket should come out, and then we're gonna remove the bolt all around the engine oil pan. Alright guys, so the bracket is off right now. Like I said, 3 bolts, right? This is done. The next step is to remove another 2 bolts on 13mm. We have left after that the 10mm ones. Alright, so if you look in this corner right here, I have a spot to put a screwdriver. So I'm gonna use a hammer and go ahead and start remove the oil pan. So fellas, we got a brand new oil pan. I got it in internet from eBay. You can find it any kind of it. No sponsors, just a random brand. I guess it's aftermarket. But before we gonna install the new oil pan, we have to go and clean the old gasket maker. And for that we're gonna use a razor blade. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just go like that and cut the old the big pieces of the gasket maker all over the place. And then we're gonna get a metal brush and go ahead and brush each side of the engine, like the upper side oil pan. That's a part of the block. Yeah, so that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go ahead and clean all over. All right, so now we took like a brush like that. It's a metal brush, and we're gonna just go ahead and clean the rest of the gasket maker. I don't know if you can see guys, but it comes out easy. After you clean the gasket maker, you're gonna spray with some brake cleaner and wash and clean all the remains of any gasket maker or dust or oil. So everything has to be clean and shiny, for making sure that you're gonna apply the new gasket maker properly, and it's gonna stick to the engine. So yeah, we got the gasket maker here done ready. It's the new gasket maker. It's applied just like that around each hole. Now I'm going to install back all the bolts around. Don't tighten it up any kind of a bolts yet. You want to make sure you adjust and properly install the engine oil pan, and you want to make sure, like I said, every bolt goes there nicely and smooth, easy, without any any crazy thing. So you see how my my wheel pan is a little bit movable, like wiggly. So you want to make sure you install it like I said, proper. We got the bolts in, and we're gonna use a gun with low torque just to put some pressure on each bolt. So we go quickly over each one and tie that up slowly, each part of it. Don't tie it up too much, don't tie it up too tight, because we're gonna after that go ahead and apply the right amount of torque on the bolt. So you just want to go ahead and put some, like I said, pressure on it. Make sure each bolt is there, nothing is missing. All right guys, so to tighten up these bolts we'll need 12 Newton meter. I'm going to use a key, a wrench, just like that. So right now it's 34.5. I'm just gonna pull out and like that, go all the way to 12. We got to 12 right there. For you, if you don't know how this wrench works, what you're gonna do, you're gonna tie it up 12 Newton meter, right? And you just basically turn, and you're gonna hear a click in your wrench, just like that. And it also makes like a move in your wrench. So it's just like that. Look at that. So that means it's tied up, and you don't have to add no more wrench, no more torque. You don't have to tie it up anything. And then after this, what we're gonna install is the AC bracket. All right guys, so we installed the long bolts right here. We got the 3 bolts for the bracket and installed bracket. We got a long bolt right next back to tie up the AC compressor. Right, just like that. Slowly tied up the AC compressor, and that's it guys. The installation for engine oil pan, it's done. Brand new plug, I tightened that up too. Comes with a washer. There's a new gasket maker line. We're gonna let it dry a little bit. Meanwhile, we're gonna install a new engine oil filter. We're gonna clean everything around too. All right guys, so we got the oil in, we got the filter in. Let's go and give it a try and see how the engine runs. Here we go. That AC works properly, right? The engine works good as well. There's no kind of leaks on the ground. It's on the floor. It's all old oil. Let me try to zoom. So everything is fine with the car. Runs well. Everything is installed well. Alright fellas, that was mechanic mode, and that was a video how I installed brand new oil pan on a 2016 Jeep Compass high altitude. It's a really nice trim. I got the car from the auction. Long short story, the oil pan got damaged by the forklift at the auction, so I had to install a new one. I guess guys, if this was a helpful video, then don't forget to leave a comment, a thumbs up, and subscribe if you are first time here. That was Mechanic Mode, and see you next time.